Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change your Android ringtone. Changing your Android ringtone is a quick way to personalize your phone and make incoming calls easier to recognize. Most Android devices follow similar steps, though some menu names may vary by brand. The process usually takes only a few minutes once you know where to look. To begin, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Find and tap the Settings app, then scroll down until you see Sound or Sounds and Vibration. Tap Sound Settings to open audio options. Look for Phone Ringtone or just Ringtone. Tap the Ringtone option to view available tones. Browse through the list of default ringtones. Tap any ringtone name to hear a preview, then continue listening until you find one you like. If available, tap Add Ringtone to use your own audio file. Select the music or sound file from your storage. Confirm your selection after choosing the file. Tap Save, Apply, OK, or Done depending on your device. Then ask someone to call you or test it to make sure the new ringtone works. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.